Hi, this is Maggie. In this video we're going to answer the question, how do I convert a binary number to a hexadecimal number? If you haven't already watched the videos that answer the questions, what is a number base, what are binary numbers, and what are hexadecimal numbers, I suggest you watch those videos first and then return here. Converting from a binary number to hexadecimal is very simple. In fact, the reason we use hexadecimal in computer science is because it is so easy to convert between hexadecimal and binary. When converting from binary to hex, simply take each set of 4 binary digits and substitute with the hexadecimal equivalent. It is much easier to do this from right to left. Let's do a conversion. Suppose we have the binary number 10010011101. We begin with the rightmost 4 digits, 1101. If the number doesn't already have space between each set of 4 digits, starting at the right, it might be easier to convert if you put those spaces in. Now you can use a table, or you can memorize the binary numbers to 15, or you can figure it out. A 1 in the 8's place, a 1 in the 4's place, and a 1 in the 1's place gives us 13, or D. So our rightmost hexadecimal digit is D. Our next 4 digits are 1001. This is a 1 in the 8's place and a 1 in the 1's place, or 9. So our next digit from right to left is 9. Our last set of numbers is 100. You can think of this as 0100 if that's easier, but we don't usually put zeros before numbers. Imagine if you told somebody you were 018 years old. We don't usually do that because it doesn't add meaning. 100 is a 1 in the 4's place, and zeros in the 2's and 1's place, so 4. That makes our hex number 49D. You can check your work in Python. A program called idle comes with your Python installation. Run idle, and at the prompt, the 3 angle brackets, type HEX, all lowercase, open parentheses. Now what we put in these parentheses is going to be the decimal conversion of the binary number. This is really 2 steps in one. We're converting the binary number to decimal and then converting that decimal number to hexadecimal. So now we're going to do the decimal conversion of the binary number. So write INT, all lowercase, open paren, and then a quotation mark. Type in your binary number with no spaces. In this case, 10010011101, a close quote, and then a comma, a 2 for base 2, and a close parentheses. Now another close parentheses to close off the conversion to hexadecimal. When we press enter, we will get the hexadecimal conversion of the binary number we put in quotes. Notice that it is in quotes and is prepended with 0x. Practice converting binary numbers to hexadecimal and check your work in idle. When you are confident you can successfully convert any binary number to hexadecimal, you're ready to move on.